Why do carpet cleaners prefer steam cleaning over vacuuming? If you summon the best Melbourne carpet cleaners, they would prefer steam cleaning. The reason is, it is the best and the most effective way of cleaning carpets. Steam cleaning comes with the following advantages. It is much safer and is an eco-friendly way of cleaning. It gives your carpet a new and fresh look. It not only cleans but kills molds and pathogens. It helps to get rid of allergens. It eliminates pet odors. What better name can you look for than Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne? We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.